Hello, this is Ronald Bourgeois, and you're watching SkilletSkills.com. Hello and welcome to another episode of SkilletSkills.com. I'm Chef Ron. Today we're going to try crispy beef and cabbage. We were a little pressed for time, so I went ahead and marinated the beef in the cornstarch trinity, which is cornstarch, a little bit of white wine, that's 1 squirt, and a squirt of soy sauce. Mix it up till you get your brown paste, and then just cover it with cornstarch, roll it around until you get it nice and coated. That's all this represents. From this point, heat your oil to 350 and just take your crispy beef and put them in small batches. You don't want to crowd these. Small batches. I could fit one more, but that's it. This is the best tool you'll have for fishing these out with. It just looks like a stick with a metal basket sewed to the end of it. You'll find them in any Asian grocery store. They're perfect for taking out whatever you have in a fryer. Just separate them a little bit. Let them float to the top. Remove the paper towel. Okay.
I got that. It's all good.
Want these nice and crispy. Nothing left. Put the rest in. That's it. Toss them around. When you lift them up and they look like this, they're about ready. Okay, so we heat our wok. After we wait a few seconds, go ahead and add some oil. Stir it around, let it get fragrant. Go ahead and throw in your beef that's already been fried over. Stir that around the garlic a little bit. And then I take this out to a temporary plate. Add in your cabbage. Carrots and your chili. A little bit more oil. Stir that around. cover that up. Pretty much just letting the cabbage cook. Simmer, you got your vegetables in there. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes. And it's the part of the Asian process. First the garlic and ginger, if you're going to use any aromatics, chilies, things like that, mushrooms. Then you want to go ahead and add your beef. Take your beef out, put your vegetables in and let them simmer. Then add your beef back in and anything you want to use to thicken it. Or you could reduce it. Don't really need to actually thicken it all the time. And the sauce just depends on how the sauce ended up. If it ended up sort of thick already, you could probably just reduce it a little bit more and you won't need to use any cornstarch. After a while, you're just going to go ahead and check this. Looking good. This is one you'll need to reduce. You'll need to thicken with cornstarch on you. And the thickening happens right away, so you got to stir this pretty good because this stuff really solidifies down here. Meat back in. Everything up. Crispy beef and cabbage.